Alright guys, so we are finishing up at least the examples for simplifying rational expression 1f. I want to go down, we did number 1, I want to go down to number 5 next. So let's do that. Obviously I'm going to need to factor the top and the bottom here, so let's just get right at it. A is 1, B is 8, C is 15. So I end up with A times C, 1 times 15 is 15 on the top, B is 8 on the bottom, and hopefully it's obvious the numbers here are 3 and 5. In terms of factoring the top, that's what it factors into, x plus 3 times x plus 5. On the bottom we know it's going to be a little bit harder because A is not 1, A is in fact 2 here, B is 5, and C is negative 3. Remember when A is not 1, we have to use x box, not just the x. So I start with A times C at the top, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. I have B is 5 on the bottom. And to make negative 6, I know I'm going to need to multiply by one positive and one negative number. That's our way to make a negative. And I'm going to want the bigger number to be positive, so the bottom is positive. So I believe the numbers that work here are positive 6 and negative 1. And we can check that 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 6 plus negative 1 is 5. I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to go to my box. Now you should remember by now, I've been doing this for a while, the number on the top left is going to be 2x squared. The number on the bottom right is going to be negative 3. And then the 6 and negative 1 I found become 6x and negative 1x. So how do I factor this? Well, I'm going to put a 2x on the top and an x in front. And again, why would I not put the 2x in front? If I put the 2x in front over here, I'd have trouble making negative 1x later on. I mean, it would just be using a fraction, but we'd rather not use a fraction if we don't have to. Anyways, I have 2x. Down here to make 6x, I need to multiply that by 3. Over here to turn x into negative 1x, I need to multiply by negative 1. And that means this factors into x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. And then I'm going to finish that off by canceling what I see that matches, and the only thing that matches here is x plus 3. That gives me my final answer is x plus 5 on the top, 2x minus 1 on the bottom. Alright, so that's how you do 5 through 12.